Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. While we are still in the spirit of Christmas, I'd love to show you how I made this golden banana flavor chin chin. The taste is really awesome. I bet it is what you will love. I'm sure you would love to make this during this festive period. Stay tuned, watch this to the end, subscribe to my channel. For my banana flavor chin chin, I'll be using 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 100 grams of butter, 1 egg, banana essence. You can use vanilla, you can use strawberry, or whatever flavor you feel like to use. And I'm using nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking powder, nutmeg, half cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of milk. I'm using the powdered milk. You can use liquid milk for this. So what we are going to do now is to bring the flour into a big bowl. I'll just start by combining all the dried ingredients. Here goes in sugar, powdered milk, baking powder, salt if you must add salt. I love the taste of nutmeg in my chin chin. I'm adding a teaspoon of nutmeg to it. Just mix everything up, then start adding the wet ingredients. So I'll start by cracking the egg into it. I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoon of banana essence. Like I said, you can use any flavor. I like to mix this up with my hand. Now I'll be adding in the butter. Just a little butter would. Too much butter will cause the chin chin to crumble while you're frying, so it's better you go gentle with the butter. Mix this properly until you notice some crumbs like breadcrumbs. So I like to add in a cup of water, but I won't add all at once. So I'll just mix this up first. If your dough appears sticky, you can add flour to it to mix. You have to mix this until your dough turns out very smooth and not sticky. I like to rest the dough for a few minutes before I start cutting. I'm going to bring the dough to a dusted surface. Knead it just for a few minutes. My dough is lump free and it's not sticky. So I'm going to use this rolling pin to roll out the dough. The dough should be 1 inch thick, depending on the size of chin chin you want to make. After you've rolled out your dough just like this, you're going to need a knife to cut this, but I have this pizza cutter which I'm going to use. It's going to make the work easy for me. So I'll cut this vertically then horizontally. So this is it. We are going to bring this into the preheated oil. Now you're going to taste the oil to see if it's hot by dropping a little dough. If it rises to the top, it means the oil is hot. If it stays down, it means the oil is not hot yet. Right away, you can notice the dough coming to the top. It means the oil is hot. We are going to add the rest of the chin chin to start frying. For the ones that are sticking, once they are heated, they will separate. I'll leave this to fry until they are golden brown. When you're frying your chin chin, make sure you don't overcrowd your pan, otherwise it will form bubbles and overflow from the pan, so you wouldn't want that to happen. I love to stir this so that those ones that stick together may separate. They are beginning to turn brown, so I'll leave this until they are nicely brown. Okay, this is it. Look at how nice the chin chin turned out. So whenever you're making your chin chin, make sure you stand very close to your pan so you monitor whatever is going on. If you stay apart or maybe busy doing other things, you end up with some burnt chin chin. At this point, I'm going to drain the chin chin from the oil. At this point, I'm satisfied the way it is, so I'm going to drain the chin chin. So we are done straining this from the oil. I'm going to add in the next batch. Here is your chin chin, it's ready. I love the way it smells like banana. You can use other flavor like strawberry, vanilla, or whichever flavor you want to use. So I would love to air dry the chin chin in an open space before transferring it into containers. Now you have your chin chin ready. I love the way it smells like banana. This was how to make banana flavored chin chin. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, and also share this with your friends. Have a Merry Christmas. Bye.